Concatenation is the process of taking a string and tying it into either multiple strings or a whole different phrase as well. So let's take a quick look at the concept of concatenation. It is a tongue twister to try and say. What we're going to do is we're going to take the text that comes from this text box, and when we print it out here in the label, I'm going to move this over a little bit, we're going to put what's in the text box in the middle of a sentence, but it's all going to show up in this one label. So with Visual Basic, concatenation works like this. Let's first take our string here, A1, and set equal to what's coming from the message text box dot text, just like we did before. But now what we're going to do is we're going to put that within the middle of a sentence. So we have to start by saying, where do we want the sentence to go? And of course we're going to put in the message label. So message label dot text equals, here's the trick. If we want it to be the beginning of a sentence, we still need to do our traditional string here. So my name is blank, and then let's say we want to put the name here, and I like cheese. My name is blank and I like cheese. So what we need to do is we need to take out this name. We need to physically end the quotation because we're ending the sentence right there. We need to use, in this case, the ampersand sign and tie in the variable here. So A1. Then to continue tying on a sentence, we need an ampersand sign again, followed by quotations. My name is the variable coming from the text box, and I like cheese. Let's try it out. My name is Jim. My name is Jim, and I like cheese. If the variable was at the beginning of the sentence, we would drop this A. And if the variable was at the end of the sentence, we would not need this ampersand. So if it's the beginning, drop the front ampersand. If it's the end, drop the other ampersand. Otherwise, you need both to tie it within two different spots. Could you do this to multiple variables? Absolutely. In fact, that's what one of our projects will require us to do.